चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
Nowadays, you all might have seen that these lo-fi songs are really getting a good amount of views on the YouTube, and they have a lot of subscribers also on their channel. And if you see, their channels are also monetized. Have you also wondered how to do this? Well, today I am going to teach you the same, and I am not going to tell you any hard method. I am just going to tell you some AI tools that can really help you to do that and also get your channel monetized. So let's start the video. And before starting the video, if you want to learn more about AI and ChatGPT in depth, we also have a live masterclass that you can attend, and the link is in the description, and the more details are ahead in the video. So let's continue the video. So the first step is to create lo-fi music, and to create lo-fi music we'll use mubert.com. After going on mubert.com, you just need to click on generate a track now, and after that you need to enter a prompt. You can enter a prompt like we are creating a lo-fi track, so we'll just write a lo-fi track. Let us first select which type of genre we want for the lo-fi music. So let's select ambient, and then for the moods we can select like let's take calm, and activities we'll say like if we are like we'll take sleeping. So in sleeping we'll take whatever we can take, like we'll click on we'll take nature. So after that you just need to set the duration of the track, how long you want the track to be. So let's keep the track length up to, let's take 3 minutes and 45 seconds, and just then after that just click on generate track, and your track would start getting generated. After a few minutes, if you'll see, this track has been generated and you can listen to this beautiful track. And now if you see, your track has been created for you, and you didn't have to do any hard work to create this track because it was generated by AI and you just entered a prompt. After creating the track, just click on the download button, what you see, and before downloading you need to log in into an account and create a free account, and you can log in using Facebook, Google, or enter your email ID and its password. And once you have generated your account, your created track would go into your my downloads, and from there you will get an option to download the track. And so now let's take another example to generate a track. Let's suppose we'll just write lo-fi in the prompt, and we'll set the duration to like 4 minutes and 45 seconds, and now it will create a music that is in lo-fi mode. And if you see, it has created such a beautiful beat of lo-fi music. And now when you will click on the download button, it will automatically go to your my download section with the sleep sounds nature track. And now see, it has been already added into the my downloads option. So now you can download your sleep sound nature sound. And so when you'll click on the download, it will ask that if you want to connect your YouTube channel, like where you will publish the content, because it needs to ensure that your content remains copyright free. So to connect a YouTube channel, we first need to make a YouTube channel. So to create a YouTube channel, we'll go on a new tab and click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, enter your ID and password. After signing in, just go on YouTube and just click on create a channel, and after that you just need to select that what should be your name and what should be your handle. You can also take help of ChatGPT. Just ask the ChatGPT like suggest 10 names for my lo-fi YouTube channel, and it will give you 10 different names that you can use for your lo-fi YouTube channels. And like I'll take the 6th one, that is Relax Rhythms. After deciding the name of our channel, we also need to upload a profile picture for our channel and also a banner. And to do that, we'll use Canva. So after going on Canva, just click on create a design and just go on YouTube channel logo. And on YouTube channel logo, just search music. See if any design appeals you in any way. If you feel that these designs are not enough for you, just click on generate your own and enter your prompt like music, wave, logo design. Just give a detailed description how you want the logo for yourself. Choose the style as dreamy. And we'll take this fancy text and we'll just copy our channel name, that is Relax Rhythms, and we'll just write the same over here, and we can change the style of the same After that, just edit the text to make it more appealing and just download this image in JPG. After that, you also need a YouTube banner. So go on Canva and just search YouTube banner. Also there search music, and if you feel that there is any design that is appealing to you, just select that design and just write over there also your channel name, that is Relax Rhythms, and just create your YouTube banner, and that is ready for you in just few minutes. And download the JPG version for the same and keep it in your PC. If you have reached till here in the video, I believe that you are really liking this video, and if you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want to learn more about AI, ChatGPT or MS Office with AI and ChatGPT, we have this live masterclass that is just available for 9 rupees, and this would be the best way to spend your 9 rupees because this masterclass is really amazing, and this is taught by 2 alumni of IIT Kharagpur, and the link of that masterclass is in the description. And if you want to attend, you can attend this masterclass. You can learn more about AI and the tools. So let's continue the video ahead. After these steps, go on YouTube and write the channel name, that is Relax Rhythms, and also write the handle whatever you want. After that, create a channel, and finally you have a YouTube channel with you. And now just customize the channel with some few settings. Like you want a description of the channel, just go to ChatGPT and write a prompt like channel description in just 1000 characters, and it will give you a prompt. Just cut and copy this prompt on the description part of the YouTube. After this step, upload the images of the channel. Like first upload the YouTube logo that you had designed, that is Relax Rhythms, and also the banner that you had designed, and also add the watermark, that is also the same. So now once you have generated the channel, take the channel link and upload this on mubert.com, and then agree, and then click on agree and download. After that, you will be able to download your tracks and be ensured that these tracks would be copyright free. So after that, you can just download your tracks, and while you use these tracks, you just need to give a mention to Mubert that you have used Mubert to create these type of music. Once you have done all these steps, you are ready to upload your first video. But to upload your first video, you also need a picture that is displayed. So for creating the picture, we will again go on an AI, that is Leonardo AI on Dreamshaper V7, the best image generation model. You just need to do the basic settings and just change the aspect ratio to 16:9 because that is what is required for a YouTube. And then it will ask you to write a prompt. But if you don't know how to write a prompt, just click on prompt generation and just write the idea whatever you have in your brain, and it will write some prompts for you. And if you like one, you can use that, but you can also change that. Use one of the prompts, that is the third one. So when we click on that, we get this a beautiful picture of this girl listening to music on her headphones, and we can like add some more ideas into it. And if you see, there are like stars added and everything. So we'll take this image and we'll download this. After adding the image, we'll go on the final step, that is editing the image and the audio together. And for that, we'll use the free tool, that is CapCut. So CapCut is also available online. So just go on the online version and upload the sound and the picture that you had created from Leonardo AI. Add them together and add some effects what you want on CapCut, like this by the fireplace effect that I have used for this video. And once you are satisfied with your video, just click on export. And after you have exported the video, just click on the download and then upload the video onto YouTube with a title and a description. So we'll write a title like a night deep sleeping music, and we'll also write a description such as deep sleeping music and everything, and just do all the necessary things that you want to do for the video. This is the first video that you have uploaded from your channel, and that is the YouTube link that you can share to your friends or relatives. And that is it for this video today, guys. I believe you have also learned that how to create music using AI and also how to monetize your channel. So don't forget to attend the live masterclass that is just available for 9 rupees, and the link is in the description. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.